Hello children, today I am going to discuss about the switch case statement. So what is switch case statement? Switch case statement is used for selective execution of the blocks. Means which block you want to execute or select, only that block will execute. Okay, so it's a selective execution of the block. It can be used to eliminate the use of multiple if statement. In place of multiple if statement, we can use switch case statement. Okay. So switch statement is Java's multi-way branch selection statement that provides a better alternative for a large series of if-else-if statements. Okay, let's see the syntax for switch case. This is the syntax of switch statement. So control variable, you can see here within switch statement, here is control variable. Control variable in a switch case is one which guides the control to jump on a specific case. This variable is decided to jump a specific case, means it will execute case 1 or it will execute case 2. It depends on this control variable. Okay, so after this, after writing case 1, if you want to execute any program or any particular task, so you have to write within the case 1, and after case 1 here is break statement is present. So break statement terminates the block. Break statement is used to terminate the block, means terminate the case here. Suppose if break statement is not used after a case, so what happen? Then the control will keep on executing the other case. Okay, suppose here is case 1 and after case 1 break statement is missing there. Break statement is not written here, then control moves to the next case and it will execute the next case also in case 1. Okay, so it's a switch case statement. Next is the break statement is used to terminate the block. Next one is the default statement. What is default statement? When no case is executed for a given value of control variable, then default case is followed. Suppose here is given case 1 and case 2. By default, when user execute their program and it will enter the 3. It will enter the 3. But here in your program, case 3 is not present here. So what will happen? Control directly moves to the default statement. And in default statement, you can print any meaningful message that invalid input or invalid case is not present. Whatever you want to write, you have to write within the default statement. You give the printing statement within the default statement. So what is the work of default statement? If no cases is matched, then control moves to the default statement. Okay, so in switch case, first one is the control variable which control to jump on the particular or specified case. Next one is the break statement. Break statement is used to terminate the particular block, or you can say terminate the case. And third one is the default statement. So default statement, if no case is matched or no case is executed for a given value of a control variable, then control moves to the default statement. So it's a simple syntax of switch case.